Good afternoon, good people of YouTube family. What's going on, man? Welcome back to the show. I have something very special I want to talk about today. If you saw the thumbnail, then you have some idea, but I don't think you have the full story. But today we're going to be unboxing a particular watch, man. That how can I put it? Could be controversial. Definitely highly collectible, and it is not as hard to get as, let's say, the 50 Fathoms collab with Block Pond and Swatch, or even the Speedy Swatch collaboration, right? But this watch has some history that you may not know about. So let's get into it. Before we get started into unboxing what is in this box right here, I do want to blame or thank Average Joe Watch Reviews, because it was him that kind of inspired me to go down this rabbit hole of finding out about this particular watch, see him review it. But there was one thing that our dear Average Joe failed to disclose or tell us about this particular watch, and for good reason. I'm actually in a secret location because once I give you the information about this particular watch, I don't know, man, somebody may come after me for telling the truth. So I'm going to tell you the truth behind this Pagani design. So let's get into it.
The Transformers will return after these messages.
Without further ado, let's see, what do we have in here? This Pagani design. The box, the packaging is pretty nice. Tools. This thing is protected. And oh, look at that. Pagani, I have to give you an A+ on presentation, man. That is really nice, especially for the price that you guys are offering for this thing. This thing looks so much better in person, in hand, than anything else. Wow. It's interesting. Okay, set you right here. Guarantee card, user manual. How many people actually use their manual, I wonder? I don't know. So let's get into this.
We now return to the Transformers.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we have one Pagani piece, and this watch is, our first take, great looking watch. I've actually seen the Speedmaster and held the Lunar Pilot in hand, and in comparison to both of those watches, this is a fun timepiece to look at. Now, of course, it has plastic all over it. Hold on, let's get that off. Some type of sticker, y'all see that? Anyway, really nice watch to look at, and it's accessible to everybody. But what do we really know about this watch? What do you really know? Now, I know that there are a number of people that reviewed this watch and they talked about it, this mission to Mars situation, but I'm telling you guys this. I got some information that tells me, and I'm gonna let you guys know, that there's more to this watch than meets the eye, right? So with this timepiece, this was actually found, the material was actually found on Mars. Now, there is a no name, so the information I'm giving you right now is on the need-to-know basis, and it's classified, but I just happen to have the info. So this unnamed astronaut, pilot, if you will, goes out on a mission to Mars to find whatever, right? I don't know if they found transcripts. I don't know how he stumbled upon the information. But what he found was some materials. Brought it back here and found out these materials were actually used for weapons. Now, and instead of using the material to weaponize something, he discovered two companies, Seiko and Pagani. Now, he gave Seiko the rights to use what we're calling the VK63, right? It's Cybertronian, man. This thing is powered by Cybertron. Like, this thing will last for the next million years, man. Now, I know what the websites say. I know what the websites say, that you got a battery life for 3 to 4 years. If you use a chronograph, probably 2. Listen, it's all lies. It's all lies, man. It's a conspiracy. All right? And listen, I can get in a lot of trouble for even telling you guys this, but I just want to share this with you. Anyway, so what we're looking at right here, it's supposed to be a sapphire crystal. You see this young man right here? You see that cannon? You know there's a little crystal in there, and it's magnified by this very crystal, what we call sapphire. Stop it. This thing can be weaponized. Now, there's a process. So even if you bought this watch and you're trying to take it apart and weaponize it, there's things that you have to do in a process. So Pagani got a hold of it, and they took all those elements out that will weaponize this actual watch, which wasn't a watch. They just decided to use the materials. Now, there's a special process for this metal, right? We say 316L steel, bull crap. This is Cybertronian metal, right? I can literally take a grenade to this and it won't dent it whatsoever. Not by our conventional weapons. You have to have something like Megatron to actually put a dent in this watch.
Stop me, Prime!
This thing can actually save your wrist from anything catastrophic. And then you see all those symbols and things of that nature. Those symbols are actually meters on, like, you guys heard of the space bridge, right? So this is the setup for the space bridge. What you guys call it a bracelet, this is actually space bridge design leading up to, look at that, the information center. So you guys not knowing, and I get it, whoever got this, you got something special. So that would actually predate, this material would predate the Speedy. It will predate the lunar pilot. And I'm just saying, so this technically will be like the oldest watch in existence. And guess what? You can get this on Amazon right now for 90 bucks. You see how well Pagani, man, is super smart, man. Now, of course, the material and stuff will cost so much money, but they know what they were doing because they're selling it by the bundles, man. And if you don't have this watch in your collection, I bet you after this video, you're going to go down to the link below and get you a piece of Cybertronian steel, man. I'm telling you, this watch will outlast any watch known to man. You guys like Patek? Psh, please. Has nothing on this. Y'all, AP, Rolex, Zenith, none of them is touching this one. Nobody's touching this watch, right? So, I just wanted to give you guys that, you know what I'm saying? And look at it, man. Even for 90 bucks, man, you got like the screw pins. Come on, man, this thing is built like a freaking tank anyway, or should I say Autobot. This thing is amazing. It's an amazing watch. Chronograph, or what, I don't know what Cybertronians would actually call this piece of equipment, but it's definitely worth your time to go check out. All right, so in all seriousness, this is a nice looking watch. It is really fun. It's actually better than what I thought it was going to be. And I was actually going to gift this watch out. And I would, you know what? I would recommend that you buy this as a gift for somebody if you're not, you know, if you don't care about quartz. Because I know online, YouTube, quartz is like the devil or something. Like, people like, it got to be automatic. I like this watch, man. And I like the spaceship designs on it. I actually like the case back. It's really nice. And that's what we're supposed to do. We're supposed to have fun when we collect it, man. This is one, it's going to mainstay. This is going to stay in my collection. Yeah, I'm digging it. So if you like it, go down there. Hold up, before I go, let me see. All right, I didn't do the clasp. I'm sorry, but there you go. And it has 3 levels of micro adjust. Yeah, I'm about to go size this watch, man. I'm gonna throw this thing on, man. Merry Christmas, everybody. I hope you guys have an amazing day, amazing week. Be blessed and all that good stuff. And again, every video I do right now is a dedication to Maggie. If you don't know who Maggie is, man, oh my goodness, man. That is our angel for this channel. Shout out to the family. Pray that you guys are comforted. You know what I'm saying? Celebration of life. You guys see that? That was a celebration of life. Let's continue that spirit, man, and love each other, man. And till the next lightning strike, y'all be blessed.